Welcome back to the update. This one won't take long because I'm gonna only talk about Bitcoin briefly. For the time being, I'm just gonna go back to this being the top, and supposedly we're gonna have a wave A, B, C to complete the flat structure, or W, X, and Y. Y would be a zigzag, since I said before that I cannot count this wave properly. I can't find a good count here. So assuming that we bottomed here, and this was a wave 1 and a 2, and then now we start at 3 of a 3. Well, this impulse here would fit nicely. Impulse is not done yet. I'm gonna go here in this structure really soon. There is still a possibility that we do build a zigzag up, because now we are at the level of 1618 or something. Yeah, so that's still acceptable for a zigzag, although it's a potential for a wave 3. In case we have a zigzag, well, then we can take a look at B or X, and this would be just a wave A, B, and now we can have impulsive C for the flat, or zigzag for Y, triangle, or flat. Considering the fact that we already had something that looked like a flat, it's there's less chances that we repeat the same pattern. All right, so this area here, I think that's what I said last time, as we completed a wave 3, blue wave 3, and now we're still in this pitchfork, so it's not time to panic before we lose the pitchfork. The obvious retracement zone for wave 4 is here, when we measure it from the origin of a wave 2, and it's here. So 0.236 or 0.38 are support zones to be looked at. Even smaller time frame. So from here, I was thinking that there is a potential where we're done here with the yellow done, right? And then I was waiting a whole day for this thing to perhaps form a leading contracting diagonal. There's still possibility that we do it, and we are mingling on the median line of a pitchfork still. And if we lose it, well, obviously we're gonna either form something that's gonna fall down to 0.36, that's the next algo, and it will look a bit better and healthier. And then we would have a completion of something here. So first move for me was, it's not obvious, but this was a move 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3-wave move. Doesn't matter how you count it. If you count it as a 5, 3, 5, okay. If you count it as WXY, that means that we're done and we need to go. But I cannot say for sure that it's a WXY, double zigzag. Here it looks like 535 as well, so it can be a WXY, but then you can have a 3 and then a leading contracting A, B, C up, and another impulse to complete a flat, so 335. This can also be contracting. We just need this to push through, and then we might anticipate a pullback, because up until now every pullback was a bullback, perhaps even today. So if we have a stronger move here that penetrates this trend line and that is shorter than the wave 3, well, we might consider this to be a wave 1. If that's a wave 1, we should try buying a pullback and going for a wave 5. If not, this becomes something more complex. Well, back to this idea, or even there. This is really acceptable for wave 3. That was a teeny tiny update. In my current opinion, I won't check alts for now, even though I did plenty of counts, but it's gonna be just Bitcoin this time. Have a lovely evening and thank you for your attention.